7 Easy Ways to Lose Weight and Maintain a Healthy Lifestyle. Hello dears, welcome to your channel. Today I want to talk about 7 ways to lose weight, so stay with me. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies, it becomes achievable and even enjoyable. In this article, we will explore 7 effective ways to help you shed those extra pounds and improve your overall well-being. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process, so be patient and persistent in adopting these healthy habits. 1. Set realistic goals. Start by setting realistic and achievable weight loss goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is considered a healthy and sustainable rate. Setting small milestones along the way will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. 2. Adopt a balanced diet. One of the key factors in losing weight is maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid or limit your intake of sugary snacks, processed foods, and beverages high in calories. Portion control is also essential, so be mindful of your serving sizes. 3. Regular physical activity. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Engage in activities that you enjoy, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training exercises to build muscle and boost your metabolism. 4. Stay hydrated. Water plays a vital role in weight loss. Drinking an adequate amount of water not only keeps you hydrated but also helps control hunger and cravings. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal tea, or infused water to cut down on unnecessary calories. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. 5. Get sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep is often overlooked but is crucial for weight management. Lack of sleep disrupts your hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings, and a slower metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. 6. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain by triggering emotional eating and disrupting your hormone balance. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Take time for self-care and prioritize your mental well-being. 7. Seek support. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be challenging, so don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or a support group. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide motivation, accountability, and valuable tips and advice. Conclusion. Losing weight is a personal journey that requires commitment, patience, and a holistic approach. By setting realistic goals, adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, staying hydrated, getting sufficient sleep, managing stress, and seeking support, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, small steps taken consistently can lead to significant results. Stay positive, stay focused, and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.